All right, guys, it's time to put up our little bee hotel, but we don't have one, we've made 3, and they are gonna look too new. Now, remember, when you're putting up a bee hotel, you wanna put it in a sunny spot, preferably, of course, next to some flowers or trees, or on a pole next to a bed, so that these guys can be as comfortable as possible. The amazing fact is, in one of these little holes, only one little youngster comes out. I can't wait to get them in there. So a more conscious way of gardening is what we all need to look at, by seeing how we can help out these little guys to encourage them into our gardens, into our environments. And not only is it responsible, but doing this is pretty fun too.